All right, yo, another trade recap. So today, another W. Took one trade, one win, and then closing the day as always on one winner a day. Then I walk away. So going into today, I was actually bullish. I was saying like in a trade recap from yesterday or today. I uploaded it today, but I said that either shorts or bullish price, and I wasn't sure yet. Like I did saw that we have this really clean lows here, but I still had to do my analysis. But yeah, going into today, I was actually bullish just after doing my analysis, which eventually doesn't matter at all. But doesn't matter anything that happens beyond, like if we inverse above a 1 hour, anything that we inverse a singular gap, that's my bias for that day, for the highs there, or for the Tron liquidity. So going into today, I saw we inverse this on the 1 hour, and then that's a 1 hour plus singular inversion. So on the 30 minute, we have a SIBI here, and then on 1 hour we have a singular one, which is right here, and then same on the S, also a singular one, which is right here. And then that tells me, okay, I need to look for bullish prices until here, and then here on the S, and even further than that, because bigger time frame I'm also bullish. And you can see now, I think we just took the buy side there, yeah, literally with like a tick. Yeah, took a nice long two there, so also was yeah, but or wait, what? Oh, this is from yesterday. But we're looking. I'm looking for longs, and I'm just because of that inversion. Only had this marked out. Only had the buy side marked out. Looked really clean to me once that get inversed. And then I did saw that we had these really clean equal lows here. But again, like if the trend is just bullish, there's no reason for me to be looking for lower prices. And yeah, I'm just looking for a continuation of the trend, which is just yeah, you could say I'm trading support and resistance because like also, yeah, it's really internal, like this right here that is nowhere near here, but still, like I see traders would be targeting equal lows, equal highs, but if it doesn't make sense with the buys, like don't target equal lows, equal highs, even though we have these, like that's something I did in the beginning, like wait, we should go there, like I see concept goes totally against what we're doing, so I should look for shorts until here. It's definitely not the case. That's what I've seen from experience, and don't know if IC actually makes that clear. Maybe I missed it, but like he does make that, like he does make it clear not to trade towards, but he could make it better. That's what I'm trying to say. Like if there's like literally the worst that I said, if there are equal lows, equal highs, but it is against a trend, like it isn't with the trend, like you shouldn't look for that. And that's again showing it here. Yeah, really nice trade. Like wanted to show the trade that I took. So really simple trade again. What we had is we had 9:30 open. We had 10 a.m. news. I think it was like PMI news. Let's see actually. ISM PMI, I think, yeah. So we have a manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. So what we did is market open right here, and then looking at the structure, like there's no real liquidity except these lows here. So didn't even have these marked out. Like I know if we wanted to go lower, like these were the next target, but also we are inverse this, so that's the Tron liquidity. We're also holding bullish gaps here, which we had a singular 30-minute BISI. You can see we tapped this 30-minute BISI here, then had a reaction higher, and that was somewhere at the low here. And then you can see 9:30 open here, just like 9:30 open here, we trade higher. And then I was thinking, okay, I'm probably gonna get like a continuation into the buy side up here, hopefully, but we retrace lower. And then right here, this is my setup normally as well, right here, which is we take this low, we take this low, we take two lows, equal lows, this get inversed, and that's my entry, and then I go break even here. This would have been break even trade anyway, but you can see it play out here, but I didn't take it because we have 10 a.m. news. So 50 minutes before 10 a.m., 9:45, now I wait until 10 a.m. news is released, which is right here, and now I can look for my setup. So 10 a.m. news, we trade higher, we trade all the way lower, just to take out the opening range high, tapping that singular 30-minute BISI, which I could mark out here. Right here, that's the BISI. And then looking on the 1 minute again, right there. And then you can see we took the opening range low, or I said high, it's opening range low, it's 9:30 low, from 9:30 to 10 a.m. low or high are significant lows slash highs. So here as well, this will be a significant one, or it is outside the time, but still. The low then, 9:30 low, you can see we take 9:30 low and you have to push higher. And you can already see my setup and the trade that I took. Singular inversion in this leg. I go break even not at this high, but at the open inefficiency, and that's right here. if it's inside of a 1-to-1. And what is it? It's a 0.78 RR. So once that got hit, my stop was to break even. You can see we never hit the break even point. And then what I was starting here, I was actually in with 2 micros. If I can put it on here, I think I can create limit order. So you can see 2 micros is $246 loss or $246 risk. And if I do 3, it doesn't change. Let me check if I can adjust it. All right, you can see $317. So normally my risk is maximum. I'm maximum allowed to risk $285 per trade. This is like yesterday's trade. It's a bit more. It's not inside of my risk tolerance. So yeah, I risked 2 contracts on this, which is yeah, now it refreshes again. Yeah, and so it's $246. So and that would still be inside my risk tolerance. So I risked that 2 contracts, and then normally this would have been my full TP. So at 2.73 would have been hit as well, beautifully on there. But what I do is I take 1 and 2 at minimal first TP if it's inside of a... Yo. Wait, what? Okay. Literally just realized that this should have been my first TP, because I take a first TP inside of a 1 and 2, minimal of 1 and 3. This is a 1.9 RR. Damn. All right, this is a 1.9 R, and then it's a fixed 1 and 2. But if it's inside of a 1 or 3, then this is still allowed to be my trade. I'm gonna do it now. Look at how much I could have made. Like I was supposed to make 677. I made a 494. It's not really that much of a difference. It's almost $200, but still. Already, just looking at today, $200 missed on the table, and then yesterday could have made 300 more. If you calculated that, I could have made $500 more. The account would have been on, that's actually play. The account would have been then, if $500 more, it would have been at 51K, $800, which is crazy. But something, again, I learned, like, this is something in backtesting. I just do it right away, like, boom, it's right there. That's my first TP. But when I'm actually in live trading, like, I'm looking at, oh no, that's 1 or 2, and then I didn't even look at this. Like, I have more time to do it, and then I don't even do it. But something I find in the trade recaps, which if I didn't, then I didn't see this. So this is something I can learn from again. I'm gonna write this notes I'm gonna write this in my notes again. Really look, where is my first TP? Just gonna write it down. Something that I learned again. Like, it's still a W trade, still totally fine. I took 2 contracts off, and then I said 2 contracts off here at the 1 and 2, because if I take 1 contract off, I always take 75% off at my first TP at least. And of course, 1 contract is 50%, and then 2 contracts, that's more than 75%. It's 100%, but it's minimal it's minimal 75%. So I took 2 contracts off here. But now I realize I should have taken 2 contracts off here, which I would have made then, yeah, $200 more. Could have been out the account $500 more, crazy. But yeah, that's just something you can see from the trade recaps and the journaling, and yeah, but really nice trade. Again, W trade. I'm on a 3 winning streak, so I think it's gonna end really soon. 3 winning streak. My biggest winning streak I've seen from backtesting is like 6, but still that's rare, I think. But yeah, 3 winning streak, and I know it feels great right now, but I know just from what I've seen from my experience, I'm not thinking ever again that I'm gonna be the best trader in the world. I'm gonna be, yeah, now it's the time I'm gonna be profitable and then take all the winning trades back to back. Like, it's not how it works. I'm gonna hit reality real soon, or like I could say that, but I already am with reality. Like, I know that's just the case. Like, I know that's realistic. I could be having a 3 losing streak after this, but that's totally fine as well. It would still be up because I take a minimum of 1 and 2 or first TP, let runners go as well. 3, if I take 3 losses in a row, that's totally fine. I would still be up on the account, still in a yeah, still a minimum of 50K. So yeah, how the account is going now, like a really nice comeback, or however you want to say it. December was crushing me, and now December is over. January should be better price action, but still January is not the best price action. So far it's great, but what I've seen from data, it's not the best. But still, like, what's looking now is it's great. Yesterday was great as well. So far, yeah, January price action is good. This is giving me a good start of the year. I know I will be taking losses maybe right after this trade. Not today because I'm done for today now, but maybe next week. I don't know if we have Monday. Yeah, I will be trading Monday. Monday I could be taking a loss right away, and I'm totally fine with that. That's just how trading goes. That's what I sign up for. I know that's realistic. That's what trading is. Like, it's totally fine there. But yeah, really nice trade again. Done pretty early today. Took a trade on, like, that's just the thing I love. Like, when I am in a trade, it's just I hit a, like here, my entry 1024. Okay, I enter, stop at the low. I set an alert at where I'll be break even, which is right here in the opening efficiency. On ES, I go hit or make an alert once I hit this here on E or NQ, and then once this gets hit on ES, I just close the charts. I really like to do it because I have two screens, or I have two monitors on my PC. And on the left is my TopStep X, where I execute, and then on my my big screen, my main monitor is TradingView. And both on TradingView and both on TopStep X, you can see the going up and down. And when I know I am in a trade, I can see, oh, I'm up or down. That's just how it is. Like, I don't want to be looking at it, but I could still see, if I'm focused on my main monitor, I can still see TopStep X being, once I'm in, you can see like, oh, you're green or you're red once you enter. Like, I just don't like it. Like, that's just psychological. It's like, I'm not gonna do anything with that, but it's still, it's like, it's not it's not what I want to see. So I just closed TopStep X. I just closed TradingView. I have my phone on here. When I hear an alert, it's because I hit break even. And if I never get an alert, then or yeah, I did set a stop alert as well. But either the stop gets hit or the break even alert gets hit. And what I do is, once that gets hit, is I adjust the position. So my break even goes here. I close the chart right away again. Or the stop gets hit, and then I'll be on the charts again. I'll be trading. If it's a stop outside my kill zone, obviously I would wait until the next session. But it's so easy. It's so I love it. Like, it's so simple to do. Alerts getting hit. I open TopStep X. I just adjust the position or do something, and then just let it run. Like, it's that simple. Because once this gets hit right here, what I did is just I closed the charts and I set another alert at the TP or at the break even, and then I had two alerts again, and then yeah, just watch and see what happens. Which is really really chill. Like, I could do anything and then just have my phone with me and then see an alert. Oh, I just adjust position. Like, it's that simple. Yeah, went over that. Yeah, it's done with the yapping. Yeah, thank you for watching. This is the trade recap again. Yeah, have a nice weekend. See you. Honestly, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. See you.